Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? We are back, and today my cat is opening my door. Maybe that worked. Anyway, hey guys, what's up? How's it going? We are back, and today we are going through what I packed for Europe, what I wish I packed, and what I wish I didn't pack. And if you haven't already, there is a video that I posted of me scramble packing for this trip already, where plans changed, I packed too much. I really don't know who I thought I was when I packed for all of this stuff. And fun fact, it has been like 2 months since that Europe trip, and I still have all of these clothes piled on the floor. So when we go through this, you're not going to see every single numbered pieces that I say because I've had to wear some of them since then. But you'll get the general idea, and I will put a list of everything in different places for you to see and to reference. Before we dive super into it, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions, all that good stuff. It helps me so much. And yeah, let's get going. So here's the list of things that I did bring. 1 hoodie, 2 cover up jacket type things, 1 jumpsuit, 5 dresses, 1 skirt, 12 tops, 2 athletic workout type sets, 1 dressy set, thank you, 4 pairs of shorts, 2 pairs of yoga pants, 2 pairs of flowy comfy pants, 1 pair of jeans, a set of comfy pajamas, a sweater set, 2 pairs of sandals, my pair of Air Force Ones, and a pair of hiking boots, 2 swimsuits, and I also had a couple bags of toiletries and makeup and a bag of like underwear and socks, enough for like 8 to 10 days, and also an additional couple pairs of hiking socks. And that was everything that I did bring. So before we get into the things that I wish I didn't bring and the things that I wish I did bring, I did want to note that I went on this trip in the middle of or at the end of August, like through September into like October. So it was kind of like fall. I literally watched fall like hit Europe, like temperatures change and all of that stuff. So I had some days where it was really nice and warm and some days where it was like pretty chilly. And on top of that, my itinerary changed drastically. So I did a lot more like outdoorsy stuff than I thought I was going to. I did a lot more chilling than I thought I was going to, that kind of stuff. So this is kind of like a grand scope of packing for like all activities, because I ended up doing pretty much everything, and I thought I was only going and doing like one, like I basically thought that I was only going to be doing city traveling, and I ended up not doing just city traveling. So keep all of that in mind when you're packing if you're looking for something very specific. So on my first stop, I was in Ireland and I sent stuff home. I had a bunch of things that I accidentally brought that just ended up like in a bag. Also, if you can hear my cat crunching on her food, I'm very sorry. She's not going to stop. It's going to take her ages, and we gotta power through. But anyway, I was in Ireland. I ended up accidentally bringing a bunch of stuff that I didn't need. Like I ended up bringing like my teeth whitener, which was like an accident and just ended up in my bag. So like I ended up sending a bunch of stuff home. So something that I sent home right away was like I had a really fancy dress, one of the flowy pair of pants I sent home. I sent home a couple of tops too, I think. So those are all things I didn't need like right off the bat, not even a week into my trip. Knock those off the list. Boom, boom. With that being said, let's jump into the things that I didn't need, because there was a lot. And when I say I didn't use like half the stuff in this bag, I mean like I didn't use half of the stuff in this bag and I was gone for like 2 months. Here's a list of things that I did not need that I wish I would have just left at home. Would have saved me so much back pain. Dresses. Why did I bring so many dresses, you guys? Like I don't even wear that many dresses in the first place. So I didn't even wear this one. Didn't wear that one once. Didn't wear this one once. Wore these ones, but definitely could have just narrowed this down to 1 dress. Like these 2 are the same color. Like why? So dresses. Definitely could have gone with just 1 dress. The skirt. I didn't wear the skirt at all. Not once did I pull this out of the bag. I was just carrying this around for no good reason. Tops. Tops on tops on tops. I didn't wear this once in Europe. I wore it when I got back and I was doing an East Coast adventure before coming back home. Didn't need this in Europe. I brought 12 tops. I could have honestly brought more like athletic tops. This is basically exactly what I have on here, just a different color. I could have like lived in these and dressed them up and down, and same thing with like this tank top. So definitely consider different ways to dress things up and down, because I did not do that beforehand, because again, I really thought the trip was going to be one thing and it ended up being another. And because traveling is like that, plan for everything to just be versatile. Don't plan to have like a super girly, fabulous one kind of trip and then be wildly unprepared for like a hikey, covered in dirt kind of trip, because I ended up wearing a lot of my friends' clothes. Tops, I probably only needed like maybe 5 or 6. 5 or 6 versatile tops could have got me through it. Jean shorts, didn't need these, didn't wear them once, not a single time. Also didn't wear this dressy set once. not once. The jumpsuit that I had, wore that everywhere. Definitely didn't need this. This sweater set. So this is a very warm sweater set, and I always wear it onto the plane thinking I'm going to be freezing and I end up sweating. So I wore this every single time I got on an airplane. Disaster. Definitely could have just left this at home. I also didn't need 2 swimsuits. I'm not even sure that did I wear a swimsuit once? I don't even know. I just know that I could have just gone with 1 swimsuit. And I absolutely did not need 2 pairs of sandals. I could have just gotten away with bringing like this black set because it goes with honestly, either one of these goes with everything that I brought, but I'm happy I did have them because I needed like essentially shower shoes in Switzerland for taking a shower at the campsites. But basically that was the only reason I needed it. I didn't even need to have a dressy pair. I just needed a very basic pair. So 1 pair of sandals would have sufficed perfectly. Things that I did need. This is always the fun part, and usually not a very long part, but definitely valuable information. A warmer layer. The single hoodie that I brought, bad idea. Luckily, a friend of mine gave me a hoodie, which ended up saving my life. And then again, I was wearing all of my friends' clothes, but it was cold. I didn't have any kind of jacket, like nothing that really kept me warm. So a warmer layer would have been really smart, especially for fall travel through Europe. I've already lost my jumpsuit, but the second thing is another jumpsuit. Honestly, the one that I had, I could dress it up, I could wear it super casually, all of that good stuff. Having another one of those would have been perfect. Like 1 outfit solves all my problems. 1 more pair of yoga pants. So because I said that I did a lot of like hiking and stuff, I did have the dual athleisure sets, but I spent a week in Switzerland like hiking, and I got sweaty. Like my yoga pants got pretty disgusting pretty fast, and we just didn't have time to like do laundry, so I could have used like 1 more pair of yoga pants. Another pair of jeans. You guys, I truly have become a jean girly again, and I've not worn jeans consistently like since high school, which is shocking to me, but I found 2 very comfy pairs of jeans right before I left, and I only brought 1 pair, and the whole time I was in Europe, I was like, dang, I really could have used just like another pair of jeans, because again, I could just dress it up or just wear it super casually. So another pair of jeans would have been real nice. And long sleeve tops is the final item. Definitely could have used long sleeve tops. I brought a lot of like tank tops and t-shirts, but definitely would have been better to have like something like a little bit more warmer to like layer. And that is everything that I packed for Europe. Wish I didn't pack for Europe, and wish I did pack for Europe. I hope you found this video super helpful. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. I would love to help you with your packing journey for an adventure like this. And I would appreciate it if you guys give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Please hit that subscribe button. I got so many more vlogs and stuff coming for you guys. If you haven't already, please go check out the Europe vlogs. They were so much fun, so informational. Hit some fun stuff, and yeah, I will see you guys on the next adventure. Bye!